Welcome to Teamgo Visitor Management. Today, we're excited to show you how our room booking feature can streamline your workplace and make managing meeting rooms easier than ever. With Teamgo's room booking feature, you can effortlessly manage all your meeting spaces. No more confusion about availability or double bookings. Teamgo helps you stay organized. It's all done through simple web software. No installations, no interruptions. You can manage your meeting rooms with ease using our cloud-based platform, available from any web browser. Easily keep track of where your employees are at all times. Teamgo's system also boosts security, making it simple to know who's in your building, especially during emergencies. Booking a room is as simple as logging into Teamgo. Employees can quickly find available meeting rooms, book them, and even invite others to join, right from the dashboard. When booking a room for multiple guests, you can choose a space that matches your capacity and facility needs. Plus, you can include guests in the booking with just a few clicks. Teamgo also lets you customize each meeting room's calendar, assign availability, and provide essential information about what features are available in each space. Track live reports of employee arrivals and manage sign-ins with real-time alerts. You can easily export historical data for storage or share it with third parties. With Teamgo's room booking feature, managing meeting rooms has never been simpler or more efficient. Try it out today for free and take control of your workplace bookings. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more updates or head to teamgo.co to start your free trial today.